So, hi, dear Aquarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is the reading from 16 till the 22nd of December for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. And if you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. It's super easy to understand and this is life changing. Yeah, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can book your own slots via my website. Yeah, if you have any queries, you can mail me. Everything is given in the description box, honey. Let's start. Aquarius, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. High Priestess, Strength, two of Cups. Aquarius, this is somebody who feels like they should shut their mouth, keep their mouth shut, keep their energies down, low key, and they should hold back this urge of connecting with you or reconnecting with you, even if there is a lot of love, even if there is a lot of care, even if there is a very strong bond between you guys. This person is feeling a very strong connection between you and them, a soulmate kind of dynamic between you and them. But at the same time, they feel like holding back is the right thing to do. Not saying much in this direction is the right thing to do. Keeping their mouth and energies low key is the right thing to do. So, according to them, they should just keep their energies as low key as possible, because even if they are going to do or say something about it, they feel like it's going to be a disaster. So they feel like they should definitely keep their energies, keep their emotions to themselves. But at the same time, this person is feeling a very strong connection, very strong bond between you guys, a like strong sense of soulmate kind of energies from this person's side. And on the exterior, they are going to show like they don't even care about you. Even if you're going to die today, they are not going to bother about it. It's not like that. Some people are like that. I have seen a lot of people. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Aquarius? We have the Queen of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, the Empress. They want to get out of this feeling of feeling left out in the cold all the time, because they are seeing you glowing and growing, and they want to do the same for themselves. That is why they don't even want to tell you that they feel a strong bond between you and them still. They just want to pretend that everything is fine. They're working on themselves. They're just a good person, and they're growing and glowing, and they're having lots of growth and expansion in every area of their life. They want to do it in reality. It's not like they don't want to do it in reality. They want to do it in reality, but for the time being, they just want to have a show off that everything is fine. I am happy. I don't even bother. I don't even care about you. Who the hell are you kind of a deal. So basically putting on this facade of I don't care, but I still feel for you kind of energy. Yeah. Have you seen some people, the more they are going to feel for somebody, the more they are going to behave nonsense, like a nonsense person. This is the same energy that's happening with this person right now. The more they are feeling deeply for you, the more they are pretending they're not, and they're lying to themselves also continuously. That's bad. That's really bad. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 22nd of December. We have the Ace of Swords, the Justice, and the Ace of Pentacles. There are very high chances of this person connecting with you. Even if this person is going to fight with you, they will try to connect with you, and they might end up fighting with you. They might end up saying brutal things to you or hurtful things to you. But at the same time, they are going to offer you some kind of a friendship kind of a deal. Can we be friends again? Can we be at least on harmonious terms with each other? Because I don't like this. Whatever is happening, I'm not liking this. Can we be just in a harmonious kind of dynamic between you and me? That is their intention. And this person is going to show you off that they are interested only a friendship kind of a deal. They are interested only having a conversation or opening up the gate of communication between you guys, but it's not like that. Their intention is to have something solid down the line between you and them. But they want to start with the friendship, and they want to see if things can be manageable between you guys, if things can be worked out between you guys. They want to see about that before they are going to jump to the conclusion of wanting to be with you forever kind of a deal. So you can expect communication, maybe a fight, maybe hurtful, energy exchange, like verbal exchange also between you guys. But at the end, they might end up saying, I just want to be friends with you, or I just want to clear the air with you, but I just want to keep the communication open. That kind of deal. Guidance for you, Seven of Pentacles. If you are hoping for this person to change, that's never going to happen, Aquarius. I'm really sorry to burst your bubble here. You're waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, and you're hoping for somebody to change. Not happening. Sorry to say that. Okay, just reevaluate this situation from a distance. Try to see this person, this situation, for what they are and who they are and what the situation is exactly, instead of making scenarios and living in any kind of illusions or delusions. Sorry to say that, but this is what I have for you. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.